can we use curry leaves for hair growth? Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants moisturize the scalp and also remove dead hair follicles. Apart from that, curry leaves are beneficial for the hair since they are high in beta-carotene and protein content, which are instrumental in preventing hair loss and thinning of hair. Proteins are also essential for hair growth since hair is made of protein. Curry leaves are also high in amino acid content, which strengthens the hair fiber. Here is how to use curry leaves for hair growth. When used in conjunction with amla and methi, fenugreek, it boosts hair growth much better. The vitamin B in the curry leaves strengthen the roots of the hair. You can make a paste with fresh curry leaves, amla, and methi leaves. Step number 1. Take half a cup of curry and methi leaves and add the flesh of 1 amla to it. Step 2. Grind it into a fine paste. Use a spoon of water if needed while blending. Step 3. Apply this paste all over your scalp and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Step 4. After the time, rinse it off with room temperature or lukewarm water. You do not need to shampoo immediately since none of the ingredients are greasy. Another way to use is to coarsely crush about 15 to 20 curry leaves with a mortar and pestle and mix it with 2 tablespoons of fresh yogurt. Blend it well and then apply it all over your scalp. Rinse it off after 20 minutes. Tip: if you don't have fresh amla or methi, you can use amla powder and methi seed powder. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.